Hey there guys! So today we're doing a recipe that I was actually surprised is not on my channel yet, because this is one of my faves. It's so good. You want to start out with a pot with some boiling water. You want to add your pasta to that and just let that boil for around 10 to 12 minutes. In a separate pan you want to heat up some cream. And you want to add your mustard. You want to add in the same amount of honey. And then I actually forgot to look up what this is called, but I think it's dill as well. At least that's the German word for it. Then I added some salt and also some chili flakes. And then you want to mix until it's all combined nicely. And you want to just let that sit on medium heat. Meanwhile, your pasta should be, slowly boiling. You want to take your smoked salmon out of the package and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now you want to turn off the heat of the sauce and you want to add your smoked salmon into this. So you don't want to cook it or anything, just as it is. Then you're ready to put it all on a plate and enjoy. Now, as I said, this is just one of my faves. Super quick and very delicious. If you don't have any time to prepare a meal, this is great. Hope you try it and enjoy.